So, I got the Gen 7 all put together and decided I would go outside and beat the hell out of it, and... Come on, focus. I snapped a little rod and messed up an end link, and... You can see, it's still a little warm. There was a little shaft sticking out. It's sticking out a lot further now, but what I did is I took a Dremel with a cutoff wheel, and I put a little slot in the end of that rod, and just to kind of help things come out, loosen up or whatever, I hit it with my brazing torch for a couple seconds, and I'm going to show you guys this coming out. Maybe. I might be able to show you guys this coming out. Hold on. Okay. There we go. Lock the vice grips to the link. This will help. And so I cut a little slot in the end of this. Now I can just kind of I hate flathead screws. But yeah, hopefully this helps somebody. There's got to be somebody out there that's had this problem and couldn't figure out a solution other than buying new links or making new links. So hopefully this helps you keep your parts going. Let's see if I can show you this little cut. There you go. Little tiny cut. And now we've got new end link going in. A little rusty, but that's okay.